I don't want to spend money. I want to save money to go more exciting places, I guess. I don't know. I just be chilling. Good morning. And I like chilling, honestly. Like I was saying earlier, like I am an observer, and I think that like my purpose here on the earth is to observe. Just to sit back and watch. And like tell you about the things that I've seen. I don't know. I like watching the birds. I like to figure out what makes people tick, I guess, too. And I get that here. I think I'm burnt out on it in real life. Having been working retail, service industry, social services, I think maybe I'm like burnt out on it in real life. So here we are. I am single. We're all burnout, yeah. But we do still need like that third space. Like I think that's what I'm saying too, is that like that third space doesn't exist for me. There's no gyms near me really. I'd have to drive over a bridge. God damn. I don't know, whatever. I need to join the gym because that would be a third space. But other than that, like the bar, but I don't drink. There's just like not hangouts like there used to be. I don't know what I'm looking for. But building a community, having a place to hang out. Well, welcome to my porch, right? Like I'm trying to create that, I guess. Porch hangs with Angela, like this is our little community. Yes, Gary, please keep tapping the screen. It doesn't cost you anything. And you know when you tap really, really fast, this little bar up here by my name gets highlighted and it'll have like a little celebration for you whenever you reach the end of it. So if you tap really fast, try it. Just go ahead and try it. The background's so bright though, you can't even really see what's happening out there. Last night, did I lose that tree? Yeah, I think that tree fell down. Oh shit, the wire. It's pulling on the wire. I should maybe tell someone about that. I just noticed it. I might have to inspect further. I'm not sure. I can't tell. It seems like there's a tree down. Let's just go look. Oh my god. Let's just go look. Let's just go check out and see if this is a live wire on the ground. Why do I get myself into these situations? Every day it's freaking something. All right. I'm really just watching for fire ants as I walk through here. Oh my god. All right. Well, it looks like... See, I was thinking that this tree was down, but I think it just got like windy. It got blown over a little bit, but it's not down. And I can't tell what's on the wire, but that wire is looking pretty low. But I don't know if it was like that before. And I don't know what it is actually for either. It's very low, like I could touch it. That's scary. It's very low. I'm gonna have to ask my neighbor. It's definitely been there for a while. I don't think it was yesterday's doing. It was so windy yesterday though. The trees were like bent in half. All right. Watch out for fire ants. They suck. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that wire. What is that? What that wire is even for. Whatever, it doesn't concern me, I guess. Oh wait, there's my little basket. Here, you stay here with the fire ants. God damn. Ow. These little bitches. Oh my god, I don't even know what's on me. Nothing's on.